Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your WordPress site to AdSense. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the AdSense dashboard and you will see a similar page. To connect your website with AdSense, click on Let's Go in the third box and you will be prompted to paste the website address. Just go to the website, copy the URL and then paste it. Once done, click on Save and the website will get listed. Now, click on Let's Go again. This time, you need to verify your website. They will give two options for you. One is AdSense code snippet and another one is the ads.txt method. I will be using the first method, and for this method, you have to add this code to your website's header. For that, go to your WordPress admin dashboard, add a new plugin, and then search for header footer. Here, install this plugin and then activate it. After activating, you will see an added menu on the bottom left corner. Simply access it and click on Add New. Now copy the code, write a snippet name, scroll down, and paste the code you copied. After you're done with it, press Save, then mark the statement and press Next. After verification, the connection will be done successfully. So that's basically how you can connect your WordPress site to AdSense. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.